What's up guys, Hassan here. In this video I'm going to check out the Godox MoveLink M2 wireless mic. I want to thank Godox for sending me out the MoveLink M2 for reviewing. Of course, I will tell you my independent personal experience about it. Let's start. The package contains the MoveLink charging case with one receiver and two transmitters. There are also three USB-C cables for charging, two windshield and lavalier mics, a hand strap and two 3.5mm cables. Last but not least, we get some manuals and a few stickers. You can find my full unboxing video in the descriptions. First things first, the transmitters and the receiver are made of high quality polycarbonate, which makes it feel premium. Also, the design looks nice and modern. The receiver and the transmitters are lightweight. There is also a TFT display on each transmitter and receiver, which I like. It's better than only having buttons for control. It uses wireless 2.4G technology for audio transmitting. I will test the audio range throughout the video. There is a built-in battery with 300 mAh capacity. You can charge it using the included USB-C cable or with the MoveLink charging case at once. The charging case looks nice. I really like the Godox branding on the front. It also has a USB-C port which can charge the receiver and the transmitters with the magnetic pins. On the front we get an LED charging indicator light. Next to the USB-C port, the transmitters also have a 3.5mm mic input for a lavalier microphone. You can also use the built-in mic to record the audio. The frequency range is at 50 Hz to 20,000 Hz. You can just install the receiver on the cold shoe mount of your camera. Also, the receivers have clips on the back so that you can clip them on your outfit. Last but not least, you can add external accessories like the handheld adapter MLH, which turns your transmitters into a wireless interview mic. I only need to attach one of the transmitters into the handheld adapter and put the windshield on. We're done. Well, this microphone should be compatible with most of the cameras supporting 3.5mm mic input. You can also use the included TRRS cable for mobile filmmaking. If your phone doesn't have a headphone jack, you will need an adapter like a USB-C to 3.5mm jack adapter. We can set up the decibel of the transmitters independently. We only need to press the power button once on the receiver and set up our desired decibel by using the plus and minus buttons. If we press the power button again, we can set up the decibel of the other transmitter. By pressing the pair button, we can switch to mono or stereo. If we long press the power button, it turns off. Not to forget to mention that we can also mute the transmitters using the mute button on them. Sadly, we cannot mute the transmitters on the receiver. I recorded the sound of the whole video on the Godox MoveLink's internal microphone. The audio quality is great. I didn't have any interferences while recording the audio. Also, the wireless range is just fine. Right now I'm using the included lavalier mic on the MoveLink M2. I tested it before and I know how it sounds. The audio quality is great. There is also a pop filter installed on it. The metal clamp is solid, so you listen to the lavalier mic attached to one of the transmitters. Let's switch to the internal mic. Right now I'm testing the internal mic on the transmitter. I didn't install the dead cat because I'm not outside and don't need it right now. I didn't expect that the internal mic quality would be that good. I'm surprised. Let me switch to the internal mic installed on the handheld adapter. So right now I'm recording with the internal mic which I attached to the handheld adapter MLH. The handheld adapter is a great upgrade. It has a pop filter with a giant Godox branding on it. I think the internal mic sounds much better with the pop filter. The Godox MoveLink M2 is a great wireless mic for the budget. It costs around $230 with two transmitters and the charging case. The build quality is just fine. The plastic body looks nice and seems to be solid. The audio quality is also good. I didn't experience any issues while using it to record the audio of this video. The TFT display is great for controlling the transmitters and the receiver. My only critic is that the live audio level doesn't show as smooth as on the Rode Wireless Go, but this is grumbling at the highest level. There is a charging case included in the MoveLink M2. This means that you don't need to charge each transmitter and receiver separately. So you just put them into the case, plug the USB-C cable to the charging case and you're done. It would be awesome if the charging case had built-in battery to charge on the go. What I also didn't see from any other product is the optional handheld adapter, which turns your transmitter into a wireless interview mic. You can easily attach it and start the audio recording. The Godox MoveLink M2 is definitely the best wireless mic I've ever used in this price range. If you're looking for a solid mic with customizable accessory, then you're right with this mic. It only costs around $160, has a great build quality and comes with innovative features like an attachable handheld adapter or the charging case. It's definitely worth considering this mic when you want to buy a new mic. If you're interested to learn more about this product, just visit the official website or the Amazon link, which I put into the descriptions. Thank you for watching my video. Just subscribe my channel for more great videos. Also let me know if you're going to buy it or not. Also comment if you like the new descriptions layout.